Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So my name is Omasi. So of recent, I started with Backend. So I want to know about the Backend. So I'm here starting my Backend journey. It has been it has been a wonderful experience, I must say. It has been a wonderful experience. So I'm here to share with you guys my journey so far, and the struggles too that I'm going through, because the struggle is real. As long as you're in this journey, so for you struggle with some few things. And so far so good. I'll be sharing my struggles with you guys and how I've been scaling through, like how I've been making through this whole journey. So I want to share my journey with you guys on how my back end is going so far. So I also want to kind of hear from you guys. Please comment in the comment sections. What language are you learning right now? So which language are you learning, and what's the challenges you have faced so far? Your challenges so far. So I want you to comment. I want to get feedback from you guys. I want to know who is with me on this journey, like people who are there learning, who are improving themselves. Please, I want to get to know you guys, get to interact with you guys, get to share ideas with you guys, please. So if you're actually on this journey, you're learning something, which language it is, please comment on the comment sections, and I will definitely respond back so I can share ideas in this journey. So my back end journey has been so good so far. It has been so good. I started with Node, of course, Node.js. I've been learning Node.js for a while now, so I moved to Express, which is the framework of Node which I'm using. That's the backend language I'm using right now. Will I call it that way? Node.js and Express. That's what I'm using currently right now. So currently I'm learning about Express. How to use it, how to send requests, how to get requests, post requests. That kind of a thing. So so far so good. I've built a calculator that runs on the back end. So when you compute data, it runs on the back end and gives you the answer. The course I'm actually using to learn this back end is from Angela Yu. Like I told you guys last year, I bought the course. I was given the course by somebody. So I've learned the front end part now. I'm actually on the back end part now. So I'm actually in Express right now. So I've done like one or two projects, though mini projects, not huge one. So to understand how post request, post, get, that kind of a thing. So so far so good. It has been a wonderful experience. Like I say, it wasn't difficult for me because why? I already have JavaScript knowledge. Unlike before, I was messing up with JavaScript. Unlike before, JavaScript was messing me up. But right now, it's learning Express. It's still JS, So it hasn't been anything that there's nothing confusing there yet. There's nothing confusing there yet. But I'm in for anything that happens. Like I'm in for anything. So I'm just in for all the things that's gonna come out from there. So I just want to learn this back end. I want to know back end to cooperate with my front end and everything. So I'll know that I've actually achieved what I want to achieve. Not just stop there. I want to level up to get to understand something, because I've been on front end journey for more than 1 year. Of course, I've been on front end for more than 1 year. So I transitioned, I just moved to back end to cement, to get to understand more things on this web development journey so far, because being on this journey so far, it has helped me. I won't lie to you. One of the things about this programming that so much, it increased my IQ. Like the way I reason things now, the way I see things, the way I tend to analyze things now is different. Like the way I do things before. My IQ is so sharp, when I look at things, when I discuss with people, the way I try to compute data, like from the top of my head, do I do reason, my IQ has really gone up. All thanks to programming, because it has to do with IQ. So it has really helped me with my knowledge and everything. So right now, all I do right now is I tend to look for friends. I tend to look for people. I tend to look for people that I will teach. Because teaching people help to kind of like cement this thing to me. It helps to drive the point home, because I've actually met somebody that asked me a question. Why is this? Why do you have to do this? Is there no way to do it? Guess what? I've been doing the thing in a particular way. So because of the question the person asked, I had to look for a way to do that thing. And guess me, it worked. Assuming I didn't teach the person, or the person was not there for me to teach him or her, so I wouldn't have actually learned that particular thing that day. So all I just do now is try to teach people, whether free or not free, but most of the time I charge a little token, so as to make sure that something is going out from the person's pocket, so the person will be more serious to learn this thing I'm trying to teach him or her. Me teaching this thing is not just more like I'm trying to kind of like know where I'm failing, so that I will practice more. I will get to work on myself more. Like I told you guys before. In fact, a point has come where I'll make a video about my own personal self, so that I will tell people about me. I don't have any degree at all. All I just have is just secondary school certificate. That's all I have. I dropped out of school. I didn't finish school. At all. I dropped out of school. Not because I personally want to. Because of challenges, family challenges. There was no money to keep sending me to school. I had to drop. I have to go into I had to be a factory worker to raise money, so that I will go and pay an institution to teach me how to use the computer. So, even for me to record, even for me to record with my phone and post on YouTube is something that I try to master. I try to talk over the screen so that I will build this confidence. Years ago, I couldn't talk. I can't even look at somebody face to face or eyeball to eyeball and talk to the person. Every day has been a journey for me. I come across this post on Twitter today. I'm making this video today, and I come across that post on Twitter today because I go to Twitter every day to see what's happening, the latest trends, what people are talking about, Also got to get to network with people. So I saw this tweet on Twitter today. This guy posted that self-improvement is the highest drug anyone can take. Let me repeat that. Self-improvement is the highest drug anyone can take. And it's true. I'm using myself as an example. I apologize for the noise. That's a vehicle passing by. I'm actually in my workplace. Please, guys, I definitely apologize. Let me say this again. Self-improvement has really helped me. Why? I'm a guy that I came from a very poor background. Every day, I tend to improve myself by reading, or by watching YouTube videos, or by following industry experts, learning from them. I try to always make sure that I put something here every day, something useful. Every day I try as much as possible to create content, be it whether on Twitter, be it whether on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. I try as much as I can every day to make sure I produce content, not consume content. Because we live in a world of we live in a world of is an intention and it is an attention economy, just like the way Andy Tate called it. If you have attention, you can look for a way to monetize it and make money. Me actually on this journey so far, it has been a wonderful experience for me, I must say. But there's so many struggles there, I must tell you guys. So, like me, like I said earlier, I've told you guys the way I started my front-end development. Right now, I'm actually into back-end development right now. So I know the struggles I'm still facing. Even for me to talk, to speak, I'm still working on that just to improve myself. So all I can just say is encourage anyone. Always make self-improvement your right-hand man. Let me just use that word, right-hand man. Always make self-improvement your best friend, because it will help what in the long run. Though the idea of this video which I'm making right now is to inform you guys that I'm actually I recently started learning backend development, and I'm also urging you guys to share with me or to tell me the language you're currently learning and the struggles you have faced so far. If something I can actually help, no problem, I will share my own ideas with you guys. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, support the movement. I'm just a small channel trying to grow, but so far so good. I've been liking this platform because I must say 95% of what I know is from YouTube. 95% of what I know today is from YouTube. Self-improvement, programming, financial education, stocks, crypto trading, forex trading is all on YouTube. I know how to trade forex. I learned how to trade forex on YouTube. How to invest in stocks from YouTube. Crypto from YouTube. So YouTube has been a platform that has really helped me so far. But that's other videos I will make concerning that. But I must tell you guys that I'm grateful to life. But there is this peak, there is this elite level I'm looking forward to actually get into. Alright, that's be videos for another day which I will make for you guys. So thank you for watching once again. Please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.